Hi, Bryn from Whirlpool here. Here's a 2-minute tour of the Omnia range of washers and dryers from Whirlpool Professional. The Omnia range of washers and dryers have been specifically designed for small businesses with big workloads. Costing significantly less than traditional industrial machines, they give all the results you'd expect from a professional appliance without the high running costs and complicated maintenance. There are 2 pairs of Omnia washer and dryer models with load capacities ranging from 8 to 11 kilos. All Omnia washers are A++ rated and come with 6sense technology built in, designed to reduce program time and save energy. The Omnia range use up to 50% less energy compared with traditional 60-degree washes, meaning you can wash and dry 10 kilos of laundry for just 40p a go. They're also incredibly quiet thanks to our unique Zen technology. The direct drive motor and anti-vibration lateral panels ensure that the Omnia has the lowest sound of any machines on the market. Lastly, installation is a breeze. A cold water connection, a drain, and a 13-amp plug socket, and you're good to go. The washers have built-in water heaters and drain pumps, and the dryers don't need any external venting, so no complicated plumbing or electrical services are required. They've also been designed from the ground up with stacking in mind, so if you're short on space, they'll quite happily live one on top of the other. So there you go, we think the Omnia range sets the new standard for small business laundry equipment, perfect for B&Bs, small hotels, canteens, sports halls, well, the list is endless. If you're interested in the Omnia range of washers and dryers, contact us at Whirlpool Professional.